Have you ever wondered why some Ethernet cables are stiff while others bend easily? Choosing the wrong cable can ruin your home internet setup. It might look the same on the outside, but the inside tells a different story. Let's unlock the secret of solid and stranded Ethernet cables, the two most common types of Ethernet cables. A solid Ethernet cable has a single thick copper wire inside. It is very strong and carries signals perfectly over long distances. Because it is simple to make, it costs less. However, it is stiff. If you bend it too much, the copper inside can snap. This is why it is used for permanent spots, like inside your walls or under the floor. It is safe and reliable, as it never has to move. A stranded Ethernet cable is made of many tiny copper hairs twisted together. This makes the cable very soft and flexible. You can bend it, trip over it, or coil it up without it breaking. Because it is harder to make, it costs more money. It also loses signal strength faster than a solid cable. This is why it is best for short patch cords that connect your computer to the wall outlet. Knowing the difference saves you time and money. If you use a solid cable for your laptop, the wire will eventually break from moving around. If you use a stranded cable for a long run through your attic, your internet speed will drop. Picking the right tool for the job keeps your connection fast and safe. Think of a solid cable like a pencil lead. It is strong and works well, but it snaps if you bend it. Think of a stranded cable like a piece of rope. You can tie it in knots, and it stays perfectly fine. Use a solid cable to run wiring throughout your entire house, from the basement to the attic. Use a stranded cable to plug your gaming console into the wall. The bottom line, use solid for the walls and stranded for the halls.
Simply click the link below to learn more.